Today we are going to learn how to change the spool kit in a solenoid valve. Before reassembly, first understand the potential leakage causes. Check the spool seal and assess for wear or damage. Inspect the valve body and spool for dust or debris. Ensure optimal sealing to prevent leaks. Apply air pressure to the valve's input port and block the output port. But before we begin, it's essential to test for any leakage in the valve. Coat the exhaust port with thick soap solution and observe for bubble formation. The presence of bubbles signifies leakage from the spool seal. This method effectively identifies any potential leaks in the valve's sealing mechanism, ensuring optimal performance and preventing air loss. Now let's move on to replacing the spool kit. Begin by loosening and removing the coil nut by rotating it anti-clockwise. Identify the rear or spring side and front pilot side of the valve assembly. Using a screwdriver, remove the screws securing the rear side of the assembly. Repeat this step for the pilot side. Carefully pull out the spool from the valve assembly. Ensure the bore is thoroughly cleaned using a pneumatic air gun or a cotton cloth. Now take a new spool and apply a layer of grease to the new spool to ensure smooth operation. Before insertion, apply grease to the bore of the valve. Now insert the new spool securely into the valve bore. Carefully seat the spool into place, ensuring it fits securely within the bore. Reassemble the valve starting from the front side. Place the front pilot kit and secure with screw. Now seat the sprig correctly on the rear side and ensure the seal is correctly seated. Securely tighten the screws using a spring washer for added stability. Tighten the screws properly to secure the assembly. Then proceed to assemble the coil at the front side of the valve and ensure that all the components fit accurately. Now check the leakage of the valve. By following these steps, you can effectively replace the spool kit in your valve assembly. Discover the power of SPAC Pneumatic and revolutionize your pneumatic solutions. Just drop a hi at our WhatsApp number 012-047-333333 or visit our website www.spacpneumatic.com for more information.